This is at yz125. I forgot to mention, when you're taking this apart, it only comes off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bolts, 10 bolts, and this whole thing comes off. You gotta take the back brake lever off. You gotta take the little your power band piece off, and everyone knows you gotta take the muffler off and all the other stuff like that. You gotta take water pump here off, which isn't that hard to do. And you can either just take it off with or without draining the oil. It's super simple, and you have to be careful when you're taking the casing off so you don't drop any bolts or anything like that on the ground, and then you gotta wash it all off. And parts still haven't came in yet, so still looking forward to that, putting it back together.